So here we have the CW for one last time. Taking a look at it before I disassemble it and transfer the parts to a different frame and fork. I hate to let this one go because it's a really great frame. Custom Works CW. Let this camera focus right there. You got those hubs. I'm running modern, newer Mission cranks on there. Your basic brake setup right there. Both Bulldog in the front and rear. And my repop handler seat right there, Freestyle seat. With my Pan Eraser tires on there. Upside down, but yeah. Front brakes. ACS rotor. Modern GT handlebars. And of course, my GoPro mount. Time to disassemble this baby. Okay, so we're gonna disassemble this baby. Time to let it go. No particular method or procedures. Just go ahead and do it as quickly as possible. Pedals come off first. The Taiwan Weld Go pedals. Yeah, I know, a lot of stuff that's not period correct. There's a lot of stuff that's not old school, so to speak. But all of my bikes are riders, so I put them together to ride, not to throw them on the red carpet. I'm gonna get all these parts and put them on another bike. Yes, I am. Put them on another bike. We'll soon put a video on what bike I'm gonna be running these parts on. If I can find the master link here someplace, that'd be nice, right? What? Doesn't have a master link? Are you kidding me? Okay. Just continue. We'll just continue. My daughter's holding the camera, by the way, so she's my helper of the day. Thank you, sweetie, for helping me out. Here we go. Oh, it's one of those master links that doesn't have a clip. These you actually just kind of like fold it or push the chain together and it comes apart. I know. They used to have a little lock on there. Well, they still do sell them with locks, but obviously not this one. This is a more modern or cheaper version. I don't know. I only have one peg for this bike, so the only one peg was fine though, nonetheless. I don't want to lose any parts there, so. Okay, the cranks are off. Now I gotta get this baby off. I don't have any specialty tools. I don't have anything of the sort. Usually what I'll do to take this off, maybe I'll just leave it in there. Because it's probably a lot easier for me to just leave it in there. You know what, I think I'm just gonna leave it in there for now. Because taking it out is gonna be a task. And I don't want to scratch anything on here. So I'm gonna sell this frame and fork, so whomever gets it, let them deal with it. Okay, continuing. A little bit of the air out here so they can go past the calipers, the brake calipers. Some of these parts are old, some of these parts are new, but they're all my rider bikes, all of them. I ride them all. Okay, there's just one bike that I don't ride, and maybe I'll show you what it is later, but for now we're just taking apart this bike right here, taking off the parts as possible. Oops, it's okay. It's on a plastic table. It's on a plastic table. No harm. No harm. But speaking of, right there, might as well just start putting some nicer things on top of there so this frame is protected a little bit more. These bolts, it's got these locks on there. Alright, you thought it was gonna fall. You guys thought it was gonna fall. No, I caught it. Okay, so let's see. I guess we'll take off what this will disconnect the rotor altogether. ACS rotor. You know what? These ACS rotors are not the most strong rotors. They look super cool, but to be honest with you, I mean, I think nothing beats a gyro. Yeah, these are great, but you know, I don't think nothing beats a gyro. Let's see. What am I missing here? This cable right there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to pull this one out. This one I'm gonna have to pull it up, but it's got like a little end right there. So I'm gonna see if I could just take off this little end off of there, and there we go. Easy as that. They're aluminum, so they come off really easily. I've been doing this for a while, guys. I mean, I grew up with BMX, so this is kind of like second nature to me. Love this kind of stuff. I'm sure that there's lots of people out there that love this kind of stuff also. And it's a hobby. My daughter loves to ride bikes. Sometimes she goes with me. I still go to the track every once in a while. Not that fit anymore, but hey, it's the passion. It's still there. There we go. That's not it. It's going to be a 14 for this ACS stem. Alrighty then, so it's getting a little bit sunnier. I had to reformat that drive on this camera because guess what? It froze on me. Stay there. Alrighty then, so that comes off. Brakes, calipers. Can hear those parakeets in the background. Man, we have lots of parakeets around here. Beautiful parakeets. Don't lose that nut. Oh, but I'm losing a washer. What's up with that? Front one. I would ship it off with this or sell it like with all these parts on there. I really don't mind them, but this one I do mind because I need it for the rotor. And might as well ship it with the least amount of parts if possible. Little bearing right there. So yeah, okay, so we're done. That's it. Off to the market. I already have a buyer for this, so that's the reason I'm selling it. Oh well, it is what it is. It's right there. Like I told you guys, all these parts are gonna go on a different bike. Don't go nowhere. I've been saying different bike for all this time, but no, I meant different frame and fork. And all the parts are gonna go on this one right there. That's my next project right there. That's my next baby right there. So we'll see how that one comes out. Catch you on the next video, guys. See you later, peeps.
When are you gonna do the trickster part?
Not today.
No, not today. It's hot outside.
It is warm.